Hello, everybody. This is SashaMoniqueTalks. Hello, my friends. Hello, sisters. Hello, my brothers. We are a community here, and we love our community, right? It doesn't matter your age, your race, anything like that. I have an Empties video. I got so much stuff, y'all, and you're going to see a lot of stuff that I always buy. I want to start buying things that's a little different. But y'all know I'm cheap, though. So when I get a good sale on something, I buy a lot of it. So let me get into it. So I'm going to move it kind of quickly. Aim toothpaste. It must work okay, because I always buy it, right? Another one. See, I got to get all this stuff out of my apartment. And what I was going to do, I was going to wait till next month. It would have been just too much stuff. Okay, I got the tissues that I like to buy. This is the Total Home. I get this from CVS. Listen. This is some good toilet tissue. They have it on sale a lot. You can combine those reward points or whatever they call it and get it for a good buy. Sometimes I get this for $7.99 and it's 12 rolls, 1,000 sheets. If you don't have that rewards card, get it. Y'all know I'm on the membership too. I have the membership. I have the Zote. This is excellent. If you have any stains on your clothes or anything, you can get it out with this. I wash clothes sometimes. They tell you to shred it, but I don't do that. Maybe I should, but I don't. But what I do is I put it in a big jar, put warm water in there or hot water, and just let it melt. And I find that it works well. You can use it with your regular detergent too. Zest. I have a big package of this. I'm not totally finished with this. These are the things that I finished. It smells so good. I forgot the fragrance of this because they're not saying it here. But anyway. It smells good. I hope you guys are enjoying. Well, the summer isn't until the 21st, but we are still having real warm days and some real cool days. Last night was real cool. I may not release this video till tomorrow. You will notice that a lot of times I schedule my videos for 12 midnight or like 6 p.m. I am so busy, y'all. So I got to get these videos in and schedule them while I can. This is the Scott Comfort Plus Premium Softness. Incredible price. I like this too, and I like it a lot. Sometimes now I feel that the roll is a little too big for that roller I have in my bathroom, but you know, when you cheat, like when you find ways to do things, I just roll them off, you know, and then make it where it fit that roll. Oh boy. Yeah, so that's what that is. I got Old Reliable Ajax. So I'm not going to dwell on this. I get this every month, just about. Ajax, it works. I have the Palmolive Ultra Strength dish liquid. removes up to 99.9% of grease. I love this. They did make some improvements on this. Yes, they did. I like it a lot. I think I got a bigger one now, so we'll probably see that next month. Okay. You see the little water in there. Y'all, that's cheap. You know what this is about, right? You rinse that bottle out and use, whatever's left, a little residue. I'm getting embarrassed even talking about how cheap I am. Okay, another zest. This is the Aura paper towels. I think I got this from Dollar Tree, I believe. Or did I? I don't remember where I got this from. I think it might be Dollar Tree, but I'm not sure. But it says it has 2 rows. This was decent. I got my own reliable Suavitel fabric softener. This is my favorite. This is my go-to. And I can get it at CVS. I can get it at CVS for like $3 something. But with my membership, sometimes I get it for $1 and something or $2. That's a good buy for that. Okay, I got the Arm & Hammer Odor Blasters NY Scent Booster. This is the Fresh Burst. Eliminates odors from sweat and musty towels. Yeah, with the machine we got downstairs. They be smelling, y'all. Because they don't leave it open. Sometimes people leave it open, but most of the time they don't. But if you see this, and I'm sure, oh, it smells so good. Oh, that smells so good. Get this Odor Blasters. I think I got this from CVS. But you can find it just about anywhere. Pick some of this up, y'all. It works well. And I know I'm always complaining about those, the Downy Rinse and Refresh, that it doesn't work well. This works. But what I'm trying to do is trying to eliminate some of this extra stuff that I'm buying. I showed this to y'all in my perfume haul. The Vince Camuto. A little tiny bit in there. I was determined to use the stuff up. Because when I did that haul, I said, Sasha, you got all these perfumes and you need to, there's more in here than I thought was in here. Something degrees on me, all that perfume on, but I'm not going anywhere putting that garbage out though. I have the So Unique Design for Layering White Blossom Tuberose and Pear Blossom Body Mist. I got this from CVS a while back. Some more in here too. It smells really good. So, I mentioned before that a lot of times we go to Bath and Body Works, and there's nothing wrong with it, but I got this on sale at CVS. I think it was $4.99 or something like that, and it lasted me pretty good, and I like it. And you're getting 150 millimeters? No. You're getting 51 fluid ounces with this. I finally used this up. This is the Peony from Zara. This is a great perfume. I'm not gonna spray this all over. If it's any in here, there's nothing in there. This smells good. And when I got it, I think I paid $17. They went up. I think they're like 30-something dollars now. I got my Overrival Spa Soap, moisturizing hand soap from Dollar Tree. This is always a good buy. 32 fluid ounces. This is the One and Other Ocean Mist Moisturizing Body Wash with rinse with sea kelp. 24 fluid ounces. I buy this stuff all the time for CVS. Nice and rich, and it's good. Smells good. Now this is one of my favorite laundry detergents. This is Persil Everyday Clean. This stuff, this is what I was talking about when I said I wanted to stop buying all this extra stuff like the scent beads, even though I like that one. But all that stuff brings that cost up. Yeah, so this is so strong, you don't really need anything else with this. But I haven't seen it on sale as much. I did see one maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago for $4.99. But the other bottles that went up to like $7 and $9.99, all that stuff. And I'm not gonna pay that much for this little small bottle. So what I will do is wait till I can get a good deal on it. It costs so much to wash clothes and stuff. I mean, our machines don't cost that much, but they don't work that well. So you're gonna use the machine again. The dryers are horrible. They are horrible. Got this pine saw. Y'all know this is always good too. I'm getting down. I'm almost done. I didn't think it was gonna move this fast. That's good. Another one that I love, and this is the Ariel Ultra Oxy. Smells so good. And it's strong. It's not as strong as the Persil, but it still is a good quality laundry detergent, and I like it a lot. I get this from CVS, but I noticed in the store the packages look a little smaller to me, so I always order it online. I get a good deal on that too. So here is Gain. Everybody knows about Gain, how great it is. It smells so good. And this is another one where you may not have to use all those other products. But if you have an HE machine and you live in a building like me, some stuff may not work as well. But yeah, I like Gain. Two more things. This is one I always work well, and this is the Lysol disinfectant spray. This is good. So my last item, let me make sure I don't have anything hiding behind this camera here. This is the Boulder Flex Ultra Strong Tall Kitchen drawstring fresh scent bags. You get 40 in here. I believe I got let me see where I got this from. Did I get it from Aldi's? Yes, I did. I got this from Aldi's. This is excellent. This is just as good as some Glad bags, and I like those a lot, but you know, depending where you get it from, it can be pricey. So you see this and go on and pick it up. I don't know if it was $5 or $7 at the time when I got it, but it was for a decent price. Another one, y'all, and I don't think I have it. Do I have it in there? No. I get the garbage bags from Dollar General. And I think I showed it to y'all before, and the one I had was a little see-through. I don't like see-through bags, but it was really good, and it was $5. Getting 40 bags, you can't beat that. You cannot beat it. So this is it for my empties. I will be coming next month with some more. Hopefully I have some things that's a little different. Okay. All right, y'all. Have a wonderful day.